In this video, I'll show you how to join two data tables using an XLOOKUP. This is a great solution when you need to combine data from two separate data sources for your analysis. In this example, I have two data sources, one called orders and a second data source called customers. Now, let's say I want to look at revenue by region. Well, my revenue data is in my orders data source, but my region data is in my customers data source. So before creating my pivot table, I need to create a computed column for region in the orders table. To create a computed column, select any cell in the column immediately to the right of the data table and enter a formula. In this case, I'll use an XLOOKUP that matches the customer ID from my orders table with the customer ID in my customers table, and then returns the corresponding value in the region table. After I enter my formula, I'll hit enter. Row 0 will instantly fill the formula to the bottom of the data table. Finally, I'll rename this new computed column region. Now I can continue on with my analysis. For example, I can create a pivot table that sums revenue by region. And that's it. XLOOKUPs are a powerful tool you can use to combine data across data sources.